Hello dear students, welcome to Geography class, chapter number 2, Land, Rocks and Minerals. It's for class 7, part 3. In previous part we have completed some difficult words and today that only I am continuing. See a student. So next spellings are they. Granite. Granite means ಬೆಣಚುಕಲ್ಲು ಅಥವಾ ಕಟ್ಟಡದ ಕಲ್ಲು. ಕಟ್ಟಡದ ಕಲ್ಲು. So next spelling quarry. ಕಲ್ಲು ಗಣಿಗಾರಿಕೆ. ಸಿಯ ಕಲ್ಲು ಗಣಿಗಾರಿಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಬ್ರೀಸ್. ಡೆಬ್ರೀಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅವಶೇಷಗಳು. ಅವಶೇಷಗಳು. Compress. Compress ಕುಗ್ಗಿಸು. Compress means what, right? ಕುಗ್ಗಿಸು. So next one, expose. Expose means ಒಡ್ಡಲು. Dissolve. Dissolve means ಕರಗಿಸು. Fragment. Fragment ತುಣುಕು. So next one, stream. ಹಳ್ಳ. Sandstone. ಮರಳುಗಲ್ಲು. Conglomerate. Conglomerate. ಸಮೂಹ. So next one, limestone. ಸುಣ್ಣದ ಕಲ್ಲು. Limestone means what? ಸುಣ್ಣದ ಕಲ್ಲು. Coral. ಹವಳ. Coral means what, right? ಹವಳ. See here. So first spelling is there here, granite. Spell it, student. Granite means ಬೆಣಚುಕಲ್ಲು ಅಥವಾ ಕಟ್ಟಡದ ಕಲ್ಲು. Spell it. Granite. Granite. Granite means ಬೆಣಚುಕಲ್ಲು ಅಥವಾ ಕಟ್ಟಡದ ಕಲ್ಲು. Next spelling, quarry. Spell it. Quarry. Quarry. Quarry means ಕಲ್ಲು ಗಣಿಗಾರಿಕೆ. Quarry means what? ಕಲ್ಲು ಗಣಿಗಾರಿಕೆ. So next one, debris. 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 Debris means ಅವಶೇಷಗಳು. Debris means what? ಅವಶೇಷಗಳು. So next one, compress. Spell it. C-O-M-P-R-E-S-S. Compress. Compress means kuggisu. Compress means kuggisu. So next one, expose. Expose. Spell it. E-X-P-O-S-E. Expose. Expose means waddaloo. So next one, dissolve. D-I-S-S-O-L-V. Dissolve. Dissolve means karagisu. So next one, fragment. F-R-A-G-M-E-N-T. Fragment. Fragment means tunuku. So next one, stream. Spell it. S-T-R-E-A-M. Stream. Stream means halla. Stream means what? Halla. And next one, sandstone. Spell it this. S-A-N-D-S-T-O-N-E. Sandstone. Sandstone means maralugallu. Sandstone means what? Maralugallu. So next one, conglomerate. C-O-N-G-L-O-M-E-R-A-T-E. Conglomerate. Conglomerate means what? Samoha. It means what? Samoha. And next one, limestone. Spell it. L-I-M-E-S-T-O-N-E. Limestone. Limestone means sunnada kallu. Limestone means what, student? Sunnada kallu. And next one, coral. C-O-R-A-L. Coral. Coral means havala. Coral means what? Havala. Okay, students, see here. Once again, I repeating this. Granite, ಬೆಣಚು ಕಲ್ಲು ಅಥವಾ ಕಟ್ಟಡದ ಕಲ್ಲು. ಕ್ವಾರಿ, ಕಲ್ಲು ಗಣಿಗಾರಿಕೆ. ಡೆಬ್ರಿಸ್, ಅವಶೇಷಗಳು. ಕಾಂಪ್ರೆಸ್, ಕುಗ್ಗಿಸು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್, ಒಡ್ಡಲು. ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್, ಕರಗಿಸು. ಫ್ರಾಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ತುಣುಕು. ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್, ಹಳ್ಳ. ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ಟೋನ್, ಮರಳುಗಲ್ಲು. ಕಾಂಗ್ಲೊಮೆರೇಟ್, ಸಮೂಹ. ಲೈಮ್ಸ್ಟೋನ್, ಸುಣ್ಣದ ಕಲ್ಲು. coral, ಹವಳ. See student, these all spellings you should be right. Each and every spelling you should be right 5 times. Otherwise you write 10 times. No problem. So once again repeating only spellings. See here. Granite, prairie, debris, compress, expose, dissolve, fragment, stream, sandstone, conglomerate, limestone, coral. Okay student, So next spelling again I am continuing. See here. So next spelling is there here. Concrete. Concrete. Murta Rupa. Murta Rupa. Okay. Resembles. Resembles. Holike. Resembles means holike. Transition. Transition means parivartane. Parivartane. Next spelling, equilibrium. Equilibrium, samatolana. Samatolana. And next one, destruction. Destruction, vinasha. Okay, student, see here. Concrete. Spell it. C-O-N-C-R-E-T-E. Concrete means Murta Rupa. Murta Rupa. So we are calling that concrete. Okay. And next spelling is there. Resembles. Resembles. Spell it. R-E-S-E-M-B-L-A-N-C-E. Resembles means holike. Means holike. So next one, transition. Spell it. T-R-A-N-S-I-T-I-O-N. Transition. Transition means parivartane. Transition means what? Parivartane. So next spelling, equilibrium. E-Q-U-I-L-I-B-R-I-U-M. Equilibrium means samatolana. Equilibrium means what? Samatolana. Next spelling, destruction. D-E-S-T-R-U-C-T-I-O-N. Destruction means vinasha. So once again repeating. Concrete, Murta Rupa, resembles, holike, transition, parivartane, equilibrium, samatolana, destruction, vinasha. So these all spelling you should be right, neat handwriting. When your homework will be completing, you send it my WhatsApp number. And today's, actually this part 4. Okay. So actually this part 4. So part 4 is completed here. Next part I am continuing in next class. Thank you.